I got a strange bird in there. It's not a gold one. And I just cleaned their cage out. So I'm going to let them loose. I got to get ready. And that strange bird will come out. Alright, strange bird. Come on. Come on out. Come on out, strange bird. Come on out. There it is. That was a strange chicken. Oh yeah. What could that be? This lady gave me an Americana. I didn't want to be in with the white ones because it's too young. It would get pecked on. So, it's with my little goaties. It has a little wild side. And with these, they're so friendly. I want to tame it down. And I give that lady some plants. And I'll show you that. Yeah, you're a baby goatie now. In disguise of Americana. Yeah. And she'll get used to me. She's scared. They're getting more of their feathers on. Yeah. It just takes time. There he goes. Oh, she's the big girl. She likes going there and hide. Hi, dear. Hi, big girl. I'm looking for a name for this one. I like to name her. I usually don't name my hens, but I like to name this one. So anybody got good ideas, please let me know. And I'll pick one out. I gave that lady some of this edible cactus. And she was glad to get it. It's kind of like a trade for the chicken. And I'll show you what else I give her. You see all that greenery right through there? There's some comfrey in there. And we dug her up some comfrey and give her some of that. She's happy to get it. This is a waterway that comes through the fence onto the next garden when it fills up. And there was a pile of comfrey right there. So Bill dug it up for her because we wanted that more of a waterway. And so she got that piece. And we gave her a tour of the food forest. So that was good.